All right, what is the difference of the smallest four-digit number and biggest four-digit number? Okay, so the biggest four-digit number will be 9999. Okay, so plus 1 will enter into five-digit number. So let's go to the lowest four-digit number. Okay, we know the highest three-digit number will be 99. Okay, so plus 1 will enter into four digits. That will be the lowest. So that will be plus 1 here will be 0 0 0 1. So it means that the smallest is 1 0 0 0. That is 1 2 3 4. Then the biggest is 1 2 3 4. The question says, what is the difference? So remember, the difference means that we have to subtract, okay, the two numbers here. So we need to subtract the smallest from the biggest. So we have 9 minus 1 0 0. So we have 9 9 9 8. So we have 8 9 9 9. So the correct answer is D. Okay.